one little incident, the one signalman, now we had a flag flying that indicated we were loaded with explosives. And it was a big flag. It was about 24 by 24 inches, I think, something like that, with the explosive signal on it, Cigna. And he thought about that as quick as an air raid was discovered. And he went up and personally hauled it down. So if they'd have seen it, and recognized it, the pilots that were in those Japanese planes, they would have probably let us have it, you know. Depth charges. 750 tons of depth charges. We had, the balance of the ammunition was 12-inch ammunition. It included projectiles as well as the powder charges, and 5-inch ammunition, both powder charges and projectiles. That's the three types of ammunition we had that equated up to 2,000 tons. That evening, about always right close to dark, we had a big air raid come over, or we thought it was.
Oh no!
It was our own planes.
Yeah, the bombers that came.
Yeah, bombers came over, and they accidentally, the officer in charge, I don't know who he was, but he let them fire on those planes. He ordered them to be fired on. But I don't think any of them was knocked down. This book is about my experiences in the Navy and maybe some of the Coast Guard. Craig Mason Kirkpatrick, Sr. From Madison County, North Carolina.
Wow. And how old are you in that picture?
I'm 94 and almost a half. My son was educated in 2 or 3 different places. He started off in Cape May, New Jersey, in elementary school. Then we went to Hawaii. He continued elementary school over there for 2.5 years. Then we came back to Norfolk. He was in the Norfolk school for another 3-4 years. Then we retired from the Navy, or from the Coast Guard, and we took a job at the National Institutes of Health in Washington, D.C. We